Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Meta Platforms INC stock. And my dear friends, I just want to remind you that this is our follow-up video. Just a month before, I had posted a detailed analysis video on this stock on my YouTube channel, and we had predicted a stunning powerful chart pattern at the bottom of the stock. If you would remember, we had predicted this cup and handle pattern in our previous video which I had posted on my channel just a month ago, and this cup and handle pattern got broken out. This was the neckline, and these two were the option for the stop loss, and our target was 645, but we had already captured as of now as of now we had already captured 70% of our target. But the reason behind to make this video over here is to inform you that stock has given a further follow-up chart pattern breakout. There is an another chart pattern, there is an another one more pattern got broken out over here, and that will lead the stock more high from the current price. It will make the stock to move more further upside with a 10% rally from the current price. There is another pattern got broken out over here, and it's ready to take the stock more high from the current price. We are already 12% profit from our previous pattern, and there's one more pattern. It's already gone broken out, and that will take stock more high from the current price. And if we'll capture the second pattern also of from the upside, then overall we will going to have a more than 20% profit. So my dear friends, whoever has missed the previous opportunity, those traders or investor who had missed out this previous pattern opportunity, they have another opportunity to take the participate on this pattern breakout and can wipe the profit on the upside. So my dear friends, we will in today's analysis we will give the more focus on the new pattern which got broken over here, and then we will forecast the target, stop loss, and ultimately the profit percentage. And my dear friends, whoever has hold this, those who had previously taken this position from our analysis and they are still holding this position, then they can still, they can still have, they no need to book the profit at this point. They can still hold their position because the another pattern which had gotten broken out, it will take the stock another 10% high. So with checking with your expertise, you can still hold your position. And if anyone want to take a new position, it's perfectly fine because the risk to reward ratio is suitable, plus the new pattern breakout had given an another 10% upside move. So my dear friends, we will go and we'll see what we are able to find on the new pattern. Friends, if you see over here, this was a point where the correction started, and these corrections was this correction has taken almost 2 months. This was a top formations, and this top formation was started in the month of October, and it has almost taken a 2 month to correct from top till bottom over here, and ultimately the stock has broken out from the corrections. And my dear friends, as far as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was triggered with back to back lower lows, the first lower lows here, the second here, and the last lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and that higher highs shifted on the closing basis, and that gave us a confirmation that stock has completed the second round of correction and it's ready for an upside move of second round of rally. So my dear friends, here you can take a participate. Here we got a two major positive signal. The first one was downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, and the second positive signal was its lower lows shifted to higher highs. And here we will discuss about the positive chart structure. My dear friends, if you make a closer look over here, you will be able to see the positive chart pattern. There is a range breakout over here. If you could see over here, you will be able to notice there is a parallel channel got broken out, and the neckline of the parallel channel was around $600. And The interesting part is that the inside range of this parallel channel is almost 10%, and it's already been broken out over here. And as soon as the sustained momentum will start, the stock will give a 10% upside movement from the current price. And the next target for the stock will be $670. Soon you will see the another target will be 670. So now the stock target has been revised, and this will be our second pattern. In the first pattern we had almost secured a 12%, and another pattern, it's under process to capture another 10% from the current price with a target of $670. And my dear friends, if you like my video, if you love my analysis, please give a thumbs up to my channel so that I can make a more effective content for you, more content with better pattern breakouts, so that you can earn a handsome profit. Thank you, my dear friends. Bye bye.